Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to refund money on your TapTap Send account. First, it is important to understand how failed transfers work in the TapTap Send app. When you send money and the transfer fails, the money is usually not taken permanently. In most cases, the amount is only held temporarily. If the transfer cannot be completed, the system automatically releases the money back to your account. This means the refund normally happens without you needing to do anything. However, sometimes users do not see the refund immediately. If this happens, you should contact TapTap Send customer support. To contact support, open the TapTap Send app on your phone. Once the app is open, go to the Settings section. Inside the Settings page, look for the Support option. Tap on the Support button to open the Help section. Here you will see an option to start a chat with a customer support agent. Start the chat and explain your problem clearly. Tell the agent that your transfer failed but the refund has not appeared in your account. After approval, you will usually receive an email confirmation from TapTap Send. This email will inform you that your refund is being processed. In most cases, the refunded money should return to your account within 24 hours. It is also important to know that if a payment was successfully delivered to the recipient, there is no way to reverse or refund that transaction through TapTap Send. Thanks for watching.